Hello, today we will explore how to create student groups in Schoolnet and how to run custom reports using student groups. Creating student groups is a great next step after giving an assessment in Schoolnet to continue to monitor student progress. To get started, log into Schoolnet. From the home page, there are several ways to create student groups. Let's start by looking at a recent classroom assessment item analysis report. In Schoolnet, when you are looking at almost any classroom level report, you will notice checkboxes next to each student's name. These checkboxes allow you to easily add students to a new or existing group. For this example, I'm going to check the names of the students who scored below 70% on this recent test. Once the students are checked, I click Add to Student Group and select New Group. I will need to enter a group name and category. Student groups can have many functions such as targeted instruction, AIG, and standards level performance. Once I have added my students to the group, I can find and manage all student groups under the Classroom section menu on the left side of the page. From the Student Groups page, I can edit student groups, including adding additional students or deleting a group. To run reports using student groups, I will need to go to the Student Performance page under the Classroom section menu. Then click on the Student Analysis tab. Check the box next to Run Report using Student Group and select the desired student group. Then I can create my own report. To set up my custom spreadsheet, I will need to define each column. I'm going to add a column for attendance data to show the number of absences and a column to show the most recent EOG math data for each student in my group. Once I am finished adding columns, I can either immediately go to the spreadsheet or save the parameters of this report to My Saved Reports under the School and District Data section menu for future use. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like. I am now looking at my custom spreadsheet for this student group. As long as I have saved the spreadsheet in the previous step, I can rerun this report at any time to continue to monitor this student group or use the same report for a different group of students. I can also export the spreadsheet to Excel for further analysis or use. Student groups are also tracked in the individual student's profile. Click on the Learning Plan and Teacher Notes tab under the student profile to see their current student groups. Currently, you cannot assign instructional materials to student groups as instructional materials are visible to teachers. However, you can use the Student Workspaces area to create collaborative portfolios that you could add instructional materials for the students to access. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions about Schoolnet, please contact your school or district Schoolnet lead.